she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and I just want to come on here and say thank you. I know I don't show my face that often, but I wanted to come on to just really talk to you guys for a second, to give my thanks, to tell you how I feel right now, and to give you some updates on what's to come. So yeah, not too long ago, released a video, casually, talking about what I've been doing and working on behind the scenes to help my nails have a first in my lifetime breakthrough. And the response has been nothing short of amazing. And I just want to say thank you guys for commenting, for watching, for liking, for disliking, for engaging in general, and of course for supporting my first nail care endeavor. That's a part of the mission, to help you guys get your best nails yet. It's truly an honor to serve you guys and to help you guys have breakthroughs that will help you live better lives. I truly believe better nail care is better self-care, and better self-care can save the world. So I'm just happy that I get to help, somebody out there that's been trying to do it themselves or a certain way for a while, and they're ready. They haven't given up. They're just ready to try something different. It's an honor. So yeah, welcome to the new people who have seen the video and just want to see more. Thank you for the seasoned tribers for rolling with me thus far. And I do it again. In the name of the nail care culture, in the name of better nail care. Yeah. So yeah, update. As of yet, the first 9 days, just over a week, completely sold out of the bundle care kits. Which is what? Okay, we gotta re-up. So we're working on getting more of those out there to you guys. If you've been doing this nail care thing for a while and you're I missed it, but I still want one, but you kind of don't want to deal with the overwhelm or having to rush to get it, I highly suggest you get it on pre-order. And that way it'll be on its way to you before the announcement goes out that it launches. So yeah, that's the most secure way that you can ensure you're getting one. And then it hasn't even been that long. Yeah, I'm not expecting anything right now, but you guys are let me just say. I'm you can't make this up. And I felt that when I made it. And I was tripping. I'm just yo, my nails are really not breaking right now. They're really transforming out here. But you guys are also telling me that. I'm okay, we really onto something then. Yes. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. It's crazy. One of the questions I get a lot is, are there going to be any ready for individual sale? And I'm yes, and we're working on trying to get all of them. But for right now, we have the 24K nail and cuticle care oil. It's a mouthful, but she's ready to go. She's single and available. But yeah, and if you want to stay in the product launch loop, you can always sign up for the email list at the very bottom of handsbyheritage.co. Now, I do have a question. Some of you guys are starting to cut your nails back down just to try these products and start a clean, fresh slate. And I'm first of all, that's a big deal. Thank you. I'm honored. That's a whole new level. But I'm wondering if you guys would love to see a bounce back routine video with shorter nails. I'm happy to do that. And I think that would be more realistic, because that's it's kind of like being fit and selling a treadmill. You're already fit. It's that kind of thing, what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But yeah. So let me know if you guys want to see the short nail bounce back routine with these products. Yeah, I hope that was everything. I'm trying to make this really quick and just get it out to you guys. I am overwhelmed. And I feel so full. I feel so happy because like I feel like I have like purpose, helping. I told my mom I want to be a better service person this year, and like, my golly, like, okay, I feel that. I see that. And I'm just so ready to hear about you guys' breakthrough, because ain't nothing like having something, growing something from nothing, whether it's your hair, whether it's bouncing back your skin, whether it's growing your nails out. Like, we live for a bounce back. Like, we love it. So yeah, I am so excited to hear about you guys' results, what it's doing for you, what it's giving. So definitely let me know like what it is, because I'm excited to know. So yeah, I think that's about it. So yes, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, for engaging, and for rolling with me thus far. It's truly an honor to serve you guys. And again, I can't wait to hear about your nail care breakthroughs, because you deserve it. So yes, take care and happy nail growing. I will see you in the next one.